Good morning friends. In this video we will study system of linear equation in two variable. What is linear equation in two variable? What are the different methods we adopt to solve those linear equation? So the point we are going to discuss is what is system of linear equation? What is graphical method to solve those linear equation? Also we will discuss what is substitution method to solve a given sets of linear equation. What is elimination method of solving a given sets of linear equation. Friends, any equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called a linear equation in x and y, where a, b and c are coefficient and x and y are variables. We observe in this equation that the power of x is 1 and the power of y is 1. So for a system to be linear equation, the power of variable must be unity. For example, 4x plus 3y is equal to 2. X minus 3y is equal to 7. X plus y is equal to 1. So these are all the examples of linear equation. Friends, suppose that two linear equations are given to us. First one, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and the second one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Both are equations of a straight line. So just observing the coefficient, we can determine the nature of lines. For example, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, we can deduce that, we can say that the lines are intersecting in nature and they have unique solution. As they are intersecting, they will intersect at a single point, so they are the solution is unique in nature. If suppose ratio of coefficient a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, we can deduce that the lines are coincident and therefore they have infinitely many solutions. If suppose the ratio of coefficient a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but is not equal to c1 by c2, in this case the lines are definitely parallel. Friends, for solving any system of linear equation graphically, we have to first understand how we can plot any straight line on xy axis, xy plane, or in coordinate plane. So let us suppose a straight line is given to us, x plus y is equal to 3. We have to plot this straight line on this xy plane. For plotting this straight line, we at least need 2 points. 2 points which is lying on this particular line itself. So for getting that 2 points, what we do, we first put x is equal to 0. When we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So our first point is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. The coordinates will be a. This point is definitely lying on this particular straight line. For second point, we will put y is equal to 0. For y is equal to 0, x is 3. So our second point will be b 3 0. Now we will plot these 2 points on this xy plane. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. So this one is point A. Similarly, 1 2 3, this one is point B, and the line connecting these 2 points is the required straight line, x plus y is equal to 3. Friend, let us suppose that a system of equations is given to us and we are told to find out the solution of this system of equation by graphical method. So what we will have to do, we will have to first plot these both the straight line on this xy plane and find out the point of intersection of these lines. So for plotting first line, what we will do, we will find 2 points which is lying on this particular straight line. Say the first point is for x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. The second point lying on line 1 will be for y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So the first straight line is A03, B20. For plotting straight line 2, we will again consider point C. For x is equal to 0, the coordinate y is 1, and point D, for y is equal to 0, the coordinate of x is 1. So we will plot both the points on this plane. This is point C and this is point D. When we meet this, when we join CD, we can see that point of intersection lies in fourth quadrant. The exact coordinates for this point will be obtained in graph paper. So a rough idea we get that the solution of this particular sets of equation lies in fourth quadrant. Now we will solve the same sets of linear equation by substitution method. In substitution method, we represent one variable in terms of another. For example, from equation second, we can say that y is equal to 1 minus x. Putting this value of y in equation first, we have 3x plus 2 into y is equal to 6, which means 3x plus 2 minus twice x is equal to 6, which means x is equal to 4. For x is equal to 4, we can easily find out the value of y. This is 1 minus 4, which is equal to minus 3. So the solution for this set of linear equation is 4 minus 3, and it is definitely lying in fourth quadrant, as we have seen in the bigraphical method. Friends, for solving the same sets of linear equation by elimination method, we will equate the coefficient of any one variable at one time. For example, the coefficient of x in equation second is 1. So we multiply this equation by 3. It becomes 3x plus 3y is equal to 3. Now we can see that the coefficient of x in equation 1 and equation 3 are same. So what we will do, we will subtract equation third in equation first from equation first. What we will get? 3x plus 2y minus 3x minus 3y is equal to 6 minus 3. Solving this equation we get y is equal to minus 3. For y is equal to minus 3, we will get x is equal to 4. So it is the same solution which we got from all other methods. Friends, so in this video we have studied all about system of linear equation. I expect this video will be a value addition in your knowledge of mathematics. Thank you for your patient hearing.